You might have wondered why your body forces you to sneeze. It usually starts when an irritant, like dust or pollen, tickles the sensitive lining of your nose. This triggers a nerve signal that travels straight to the sneeze center in your brain. Your brain then sends an urgent command to your chest muscles to take a deep breath and tighten. At the same time, your vocal cords close shut, trapping the air and building up an incredible amount of pressure in your lungs. Finally, your throat relaxes and your tongue pushes against the roof of your mouth, forcing a high-pressure blast of air out of your nose at up to 100 miles per hour to violently eject the intruder.